Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shifty tip. Strawberry hulling can be truly difficult, but not with our tip. You can use a knife, a straw, a coffee spoon, or just your hand. If you hull with your hand, it's hard to strongly squeeze the leaves, and you can easily crush the berries. Cutting the end of the strawberry with a knife is easy, but you waste a piece of the fruit. Using a straw can be good, but it is slow and hard to target the leaves from below. We think the best way is to use a coffee spoon. It's quick, easy, and there is no wasted part of the strawberries. That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss out new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.